Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to activate the top promo code getroll on ROLLBIT. First, go to the ROLLBIT site and click on the Join Now button. Then fill in all the necessary data and register or log in with the methods specified at the bottom. Then click on the cashier icon, find the referrals, and enter the code getroll. That's all the promo code is activated. Referral codes can only be entered up to 24 hours after registration. If this video was useful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.